Hey y'all, this is Torn Lynn, and I just wanted to come on here just real quick and tell y'all I went by Walgreens today. Today is Friday, September the 14th, and I went by right after I picked my kids up from school, so it was like 3:15. And the cashier asked me if I'd got signed up for their card yet, and I told her no. Anyway, it was really easy. I was surprised at how much information they had on their computer. But all I done was punched in my phone number on the little card where you swipe your debit card at and put in your PIN number. I put my phone number in right there. She turned the screen around and said, well, what's your name? I'm like, wow, how did y'all have all this? You know, it had my name and the last 4 digits of my phone number. It had my husband's name, and it had my middle name and I'm like, how do y'all know all this? She said that the pharmacies are all connected. So, like, if you use Rite Aid to get any prescriptions filled, I guess CVS pharmacy can get your information. And anyway, I picked, my name, Torn Lynn, and she turned the screen around. She said, is this your address? I had my address, and I was like, what? But, so, I just figured that would be helpful, but it took less than a minute, because I guess Rite Aid's where I usually get any prescriptions filled at, and they have my information in their system, so they share it with Walgreens and CVS and any other pharmacy, I reckon. Anyway, if you haven't signed up yet, you need to get your card just so you can save more money. But you can sign up in the store. You can scan a QR code, which is that right here. And you can visit walgreens.com/balance. Or you can call the toll-free number. I just want to share that information with you. Thanks for watching. Bye.